As per the Billboard article, Twice is eligible for 2022 Grammy nominations under the Best New Artist category. As per the article, there are around 463 new artists who are eligible for the New Artist category nominations, out of which Twice is one among them. Twice was able to occupy a position by fulfilling the criteria that decides the tremendous growth of the artist in the US market. To be exact, the artist must show a steady growth both in the sales as well as the reach towards the public in general, which in fact is decided by their growth in the Billboard chart, mostly Billboard 200 and Billboard Hot 100. Twice, which depicted their successive growth in the chart. Twice's first entry into the Billboard 200 chart was in June 2020 with More and More at number 200 position. But in just 6 months, with the release of the Eyes Wide Open, Twice made a whooping lift to number 72 on the chart. And overwhelmingly, with Taste of Love, Twice made an impressive hit in top 10 of the Billboard 200 at number 6, an achievement only made by one K-pop girl group previously. The nominations are taken from the period of September 2020 to September 2021. Thus, Twice's impressive feat in the Billboard Hot 100 might have not been taken into consideration through the fields. But surely, the screening committee might have been making a record of the impressive feat. It's an impressive feat just being eligible for a nomination, which is only possible for the artist that has made a breakthrough in the US market. Now, that being said, being eligible, submitted, and nominations are three different things. Twice was eligible for nominations along with the rest 462 artists. The submission time was until September 13. We don't know whether Twice has submitted the nominations or not by JYP Entertainment or Republic Records. But being eligible itself shows that our girl's tremendous growth in the field. In addition to Twice, Blackpink, TXT, and Monsta X are also eligible for nomination under the New Artist category from the K-pop field. So let's hope for Twice in the Grammy 2022.